Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you change your Facebook username in 2026. Your username is the unique handle that's part of your Facebook profile link, and it's what people can use to quickly find your account. If you want a username that's more professional, easier to remember, or simply reflects who you are today, follow these simple steps. First of all, launch the Facebook app on your Android device and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Tap the menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen, scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. At the very top, tap Meta Account Center. This is where Meta lets you manage your personal account information across Facebook and other Meta apps. From there, tap Profiles and select the Facebook profile you'd like to edit. Now tap Username. You'll see your current username along with the option to change it. Clear the existing username and enter the new one you want. As you type, Facebook will automatically check if it's available. If the username is already being used, you'll need to try another option. When you see the green check mark, it means your new username is available and ready to use. Try choosing a username that's simple, easy to spell, and closely matches your real name or the name people know you by. This makes your profile easier to search for and share with others. After you've selected an available username, tap Done to save your changes. Facebook will apply the update immediately, and your new username will become part of your profile URL. If you're unable to change it, don't worry. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Facebook app, check your internet connection, and verify that the username follows Facebook's guidelines. Sometimes a small change, like adding a period or number, is all you need if your first choice isn't available. That's it, your Facebook username has been updated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials.